Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the sacred equation, where science meets soul and error becomes evolution. Ladies and gentlemen, in the vast symphony of existence, perfection is not a fixed state. It is an unfolding journey of becoming. Mistakes, often feared and condemned, are not ruptures in destiny, but rhythms in the divine design of growth. Each error, when embraced with humility, becomes a note in the eternal music of evolution. Yet, when resisted, denied, or deflected, it disturbs both inner harmony and the greater order that sustains the cosmos. The communion of science and soul reveals that even error is sacred, an instrument designed by creation itself to awaken awareness. Modern science now echoes what ancient seers once proclaimed. The mind evolves through correction. Neuroplasticity, the miracle of the brain's ability to rewire itself, unfolds most profoundly when a mistake is made, recognized, and transformed into learning. Each moment of realization forges new neural pathways, turning confusion into cognition and hesitation into insight. Thus, error becomes the catalyst of understanding. From the evolution of species to the discoveries that shaped civilization, every great leap forward has risen from the ashes of countless missteps. The Creator's brilliance lies in this, that imperfection, when understood, becomes the very engine of advancement. Yet the dilemma of the modern world lies not in making mistakes, but in denying them. The conscience always mirrors the truth, but ego clouds its reflection. In moments where a sincere regret could restore harmony, pride often erects walls of blame and aggression. What was small grows heavy, for denial distorts proportion and erodes peace. Such evasion of accountability sends ripples through the collective field of consciousness, creating dissonance that the universe itself must rebalance. Such denial does not go unnoticed by the cosmic calculus. Just as physics governs matter through precise laws, consciousness too operates through subtle yet exact principles. The ancients called this Rita, the cosmic order that sustains harmony in creation. When human action violates that order through deceit, denial, or aggression, the universal balance responds. Cosmic justice brings correction with perfect timing, for it is designed to protect its own harmony. What's the way forward? For humanity to evolve, it must rediscover reverence for responsibility. Science teaches that every system endures through feedback and recalibration. Spirituality teaches that reflection and forgiveness are the higher forms of that same principle. Together, they form the sacred equation of growth. When truth is chosen over pride and humility over denial, learning accelerates. To accept a mistake as a divine message is to align with the intelligence that guides both neuron and nebula alike. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the path of perfection is not freedom from error, but freedom through it. When awareness illuminates a mistake, it ceases to wound and begins to teach. In that communion of mind, heart, and cosmic intelligence, imperfection becomes divine, and every fall becomes a foundation for flight. As Lord Krishna declares in the revealed Bhagavad Gita, in this path of righteousness, no effort is ever lost, nor can there be any harm. Even a little practice of this dharma protects one from great fear. Thus, even in error lies grace, and within imperfection dwells perfection in disguise. For in the sacred equation of existence, nothing is wasted. The universe turns every misstep into a lesson, every fall into ascent, and every mistake into the mathematics of evolution. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.